welcome back. So it was a great experience to be in Pondicherry. I was almost all for 6 to 7 days as I like the place here so much. Not exactly in Pondicherry, I was in Aroville for 4 days or so because I was liking the plantation and the trees over there. So it was a great experience. So and I also took some rest for 1-2 days over this place and I got time for myself. So today's plan is that we are going to Tindivanam. In the between we are also going to cover a fort called as Gingee Fort or Senji Fort. Before that I'll give you a room tour where I stood. This is a very good hostel which is called as Mikasa Hostel. So as you can see the ambience and the facilities what all you can get for a good price, 600 rupees. So basically I am in my room now. So this is the 8-bed dorm which 8 people will share with me. So this is my bed as you can see, and you can see there are the other beds, and you got AC, fans. Now I'll show you the washrooms over here. This is one of the best washrooms I have ever been in a hostel, guys. As you can see how clean it is. Wonderful. And you also got some heaters over here. Now we are going to reception and common hall. You can play some caroms. And this is where the check-in is done. You can see the name. The architecture here is very interesting than any other hostel. You can see the things and the lights over here. They kept the lights in the tap, which is very cool. You got all the series of Lonely Planet almost. Now I'll also show you the rooftop, which is very interesting. So you also got a lift over here for your convenience. So this property has like 60 dorms, so it won't be a problem even for a big group. So this, as you can see, this property has 3 floors. We are entering the terrace. So this is the terrace, guys. As you can see, you got a very beautiful view of all the city, and this property is in the center of the city. The railway station is just 1 kilometer and the bus stand is also just 1 kilometer. So this is a television hall where in the night you can play some movies. You got fridge, you can also do some ironing. You also got washing machine and also other facilities. So you got a projector there, sound woofers. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So whenever you are in Pondicherry, try to be in the Mikasa hostel because the property is owned by young people who are travelers by themselves. So they'll make sure that you will see around and they'll give you good information. So now I'll catch you in Gingee Fort. So guys, I have finally reached Jinji. So the Gingee Fort is somewhere there, but before that I am visiting a Shiva temple which you can see behind me. என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Hello. Hello, Saddam. He's Yadav.
I am Michael. My name's Evan.
Okay, that's cool. Let's go and explore the place now. So guys, we are now going to the main fort, which is on the top of the mountain. So we need to climb approximately 1,300 steps reaching to the fort. But they say the view from the top is very fantastic. Yeah, of course I have a drone, but I would also like to do some exercise. So they say that it will take 1.5 hours to reach the top. So let's see. Guys, I like these trees here. They are very huge. It's so beautiful. Whoa, see how huge are these trees. That's cool. Monkey, what are you doing? Oh, it seems so sad. What happened, buddy? You did not got food? Okay, you're sleepy. I got you. So that is where we are trying to go, guys. So it's so far, but that's okay. So the view from here is so fascinating, as you can see. Wonderful, guys. Really beautiful. You must be supposed to be. What a beautiful spot! So as you can see, the whole fort has just 4 to 5 structures, but which are good. More than the structures, the view over here is very fascinating. Hey, how was the trek, dude?
Okay.
Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad. So how do you feel about the view? So awesome. Very famous name, Ranganatha Temple. Ranganatha. It's cool. How was the trek, bro? Yadav?
It's pretty good. We enjoyed a lot. And it drizzled in the middle, so we freshened a little bit. It's like a refresher. And we did not have lunch, so just feeling so tired.
Okay, that's a good one, Yadav. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
What, you're jealous of monkey for what? He's eating. So guys, the place is really interesting. Maybe there is no much of architecture over here, but you can see the view behind me is very fascinating. The people who were living here, they were not even concentrating on the luxury. Their main motivation was to do some meditation and all. So what you can expect from this place is a fantastic view, there is no doubt about it. Somehow guys, the rocks here are so fascinating. If you observe them, you can see some cool patterns in them. I don't know, but they're very interesting to see, and I believe that you need to definitely check out this place. So definitely sure that you need 2 days for this place. As you can see, we are only on the one part of the fort, which is 1300 steps, and you can see there is another one. This is the other side of the view, guys. I'm trying my level best to capture the beauty over here, but I am unable to. Can you see the rocks there? For my eyes, I can see them very good. Even I think now the rocks seem so interesting over there. This is the best I can do, guys.